Ever wished you could instantly boost your Venmo balance for those split bills or online purchases? Well, you absolutely can. And today I'm showing you precisely how to add money to your Venmo using your credit card. First things first, unlock your smartphone and locate your Venmo app. Go ahead and tap that icon to open it up. Once you're on the Venmo home screen, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your current balance prominently displayed right next to it, or sometimes slightly below, is a button that says Add Money. Tap on that. Now, you'll be taken to the Add Money screen here. You'll see different ways to add funds. We're focusing on using a credit card. If your credit card isn't already linked, you'll need to add it first. Look for an option like Add a Bank or Card or a similar prompt. On the next screen, you'll see a list of your linked accounts. If any to add a new credit card, find and tap the Add a Card option. This might be a plus symbol or a button directly labeled Add Card. This is where you'll enter your credit card information. Carefully input your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the security code CVV usually found on the back, and your billing zip code. Double-check everything for accuracy. After entering your details, tap Add Card or the confirmation button. Venmo will securely process and link your credit card. You should see a confirmation that your card has been successfully added to your account. Now, return to the Add Money screen. You should see your newly linked credit card listed as a funding option. Select it by tapping on it. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount of money you want to add to your Venmo balance. Type in the desired amount using your phone's keypad. Be mindful of any potential transaction fees your credit card company might charge for cash advances. Though Venmo itself doesn't typically charge to add money with a credit card, it's always good practice to check with your card issuer. Review the amount and confirm that your credit card is selected as the funding source. Once you're satisfied, tap the Add Money button to initiate the transfer. And just like that, the funds are now in your Venmo balance, ready to be used for payments or transfers. It's a quick and efficient way to keep your Venmo account topped up.